Shiver me timbers, we are back on the shiny blue. Blubbers, I hereby exile you from the kitchen going forward.
Sure, Cappy Poo, but I'm hungry. Can you make me a sandwich then?
Fiddlesticks. I guess so.
Thank you, Sir Grumpy. This looks scrumptious. Now how about you read to me while I eat?
What the? This is not how this ship is supposed to be run. I'll read the devotion, but this is far from over, you sneaky, snacking, slobbering slop artist. Devotion 68. The wickedness of the sons of Samuel gave the children of Israel the excuse they needed to ask for something that they were not truly ready to have. 1 Samuel 8:4. Then all the elders of Israel gathered themselves together and came to Samuel unto Ramah, and said unto him, Behold, thou art old, and thy sons walk not in thy ways. Now make us a king to judge us like all the nation. But the thing displeased Samuel when they said, Give us a king to judge us. Samuel prayed unto the Lord. The Lord said unto Samuel, Hearken unto the voice of the people, and all that they say unto thee. For they have not rejected thee, but they have rejected me, that I should not reign over them. Though the Israelites couched their demand for a king at least partially under the guise of trying to be free from the wickedness of the sons of Samuel, God saw through that excuse. He told Samuel, who was incredibly upset over the entire ordeal, that the children of Israel had not rejected him, but in reality had rejected God. In other words, God told Samuel not to take it personally. Their grievance was not really against him. Their grievance was against God. Oftentimes, we as Christians will find people in our view rejecting us and pushing us away for the truths that we speak. Whenever that happens, do take great comfort in the fact that even if they are fussing at you, they are really angry with God. So sleep peaceably and remember that as long as you are right with God, it is not really that big of a deal if others are wrong with you.
Yeah, I can sleep peacefully even with crabby cakes, Captain Creepy clamoring his choppers.
Oh, you like insult battles, eh? Well, I can sleep even with a daft deck swabber, dunder-headed deckhand, driveling doubloon, hoarder, dizzy, dingy, dweller, dotish, dredger, dismal, dory, duffer, dopey deck, scraper, dawdling, driftwood, dunder and duffer, dreary, dross, talker, blither, and blabbers is blabbing. Have a great day, scallywag.